Hey guys, and welcome back to another how-to video, how to remove links from a watch. Here in front of us we have a very nice Michael Kors watch, and the links we're going to be removing are held together with pins. So this will apply to any watch that has the same system of pins. What you'll be needing is something to remove the pins out of the watch. This is the tool I like to use. You twist it, and the more you twist it, the more this comes out, which in turn pushes the pin out of its place, which enables us to remove the link out of the watch. What you're going to notice is that there's arrows on the back of the bracelet pointing in a certain direction. That direction is indicating which way the pins come out. We're going to place our watch in this tool and lining it up with where the pin protrudes. You want to make sure you're lining it up exactly where it's going to push the pin. Start twisting and put that in a safe spot. So at this step, this is what our watch looks like. I'm going to be removing two links off of the first side. So my next pin I'm going to be removing is this one right here. So you just want to remove the rest with your fingers like you did previously. Now we have successfully removed two links from the watch. Now from the other side, we will remove another two links. Now it's time for reconnecting the watch. You'll notice that one side of the pin is thicker than the other. The part which is not thicker goes back in first. Now you'll only be able to push it back in until the part where it protrudes a little bit and gets thicker. So for that, the jewelers have a special little hammer which doesn't damage the watch and knocks this back in. But for me, that I'm doing this at home and don't have it, I'm just going to use the surface of this tool to push and apply pressure until it snaps back into place. And you're going to push it back in until it's flush with the rest of the bracelet. And here's the final step of the project to connect the final link back into the clasp over here. And there you have it, guys, the finished product. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helped.